bitches.
Alrighty guys, another H2 ride. I don't know how I managed to get back on it, but it happened. I'm with the boss man on the BMW S1000. I think that's a 2012, 2011. What year is that?
2012.
2012 BMW. That paint's OEM. That's pretty sick. They did it in that baby blue. And they make M3s in that same blue too. Like a chick. Woo! Look at that. I guess she's riding along. Mystery chick. Well, I'm being supervised this H2 ride, so I don't know how well I'll be able to open her up this time around. And it's a little wet out. Gonna take that into account. That first shift always fucks me up.
Oh.
I always fucking don't expect it.
Yeah, 6K that supercharger kicked in.
Dude, I was so low and it was like, that's sketchy. Yeah, and to reply back to the people that said, that's a quick shifter, you know? Yeah, but I didn't feel like using it. I wanted to use the clutch because I didn't need to fucking get maximum power out of this shit first time riding it. Although I wanted to, it's just a scary fucking bike. I'm just chilling in first gear though. Good bikes, so I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about the chick on the Ninja ZX6. Poor girl. Yep, there's Florida for you. Just fucking shitty old clouds and stuff. Alright, I'll start recording once this traffic dies down.
He didn't pull out after us, but I can tell he pulled out.
He was after us.
He was?
It's a nice Yoda. Picking the best times to ride this fucking fast ass bike. Not that I want to go fast or anything. This thing's harder to ride going slow than it is hauling ass. Like it's a whole nother art form trying to not fucking whiskey throttle in traffic. And the superchargers, now that I'm riding it more, that's what makes me just, I mean, maybe not just me, but a lot of people so sketch. It's the first of its kind, and that's what the power is really based on from what I'm noticing. If that shit chirps, then the shit is going bananas. And I realized right around 6K, that's when the chirp starts. But it's just kind of off and on, not saying inconsistent, but I don't really pick up the pattern yet as to how it's doing it or when it's doing it. But I just know that that's where them fucking gulps of power are coming from. It's like a nitrous hit. I don't really know how to explain it that well, but it's just a whole nother kind of power that I'm not really used to, and a lot of people aren't, I guess. Shit on it. I can only imagine riding this thing with traction control and all that shit off. That's a death wish right there. Alright, this is like a boring one-way road, so I'm gonna film when we get on the bridge, and hopefully the traffic dies down, but I don't know. I'm really hoping so. Keep your fingers crossed, people. I'm in second, little do you know. my fucking GoPro just ripped off my face. That shit was crazy. My GoPro ripped off my face. I don't know if it was because I smacked the tank or something. Not quite sure. Yeah, I saved this thing going about 150 pesos. Let me tell you about this back part. Right there. It grips your ass like it's sitting on a fucking throne or something. It's like a gargoyle's paws gripping your ass as you fucking rip through the supercharger. Man. Where we going, Jack?